Here you go. So I take the head out because you cannot take the timing chain, the timing guide, without taking the head off, because the head is right here holding those guides for the chain. One head, two head. The engine is still out. Careful. Oh shit going on here. Got a bunch of new parts here. Oh, it's busy here, man. Got a bunch of new parts for the Benz. Like this. Water pump. Got water pump. Harmony balance. Got new head gasket. Got two of those. Intake gasket. So to put it back, I had to flip the engine side down so I can keep the guides from falling down. Then I put the head back together after I set up all this. Volkswagen doing some throttle body work. Here's my toolbox. So hopefully tomorrow I put it back together. This Mercedes-Benz 2009 2009 Mercedes-Benz GL550. Been a busy week for me, but that's how it is. I like it. Hopefully tomorrow I put this car together. Let's try